Players, this morning I'm singing in the rain of MAGA tears. Oh, yes, honey. I'm singing in the rain of MAGA tears thanks to Judge McAfee, who has came through in the clutch and issued his ruling not to disqualify District Attorney Fani Willis, honey, and he has MAGA crying like Kyle Shittenhouse.
Take a deep breath, Kyle.
Baby, they snotting and crying all over Annalise Keaton's internet. Y'all go ahead and grab your tea and have a seat. Let's get into this ruling by Judge McAfee regarding District Attorney Willis and her special prosecutor, Nathan Wade. Grab your tea, have a seat. Let's get into it. So as we know, back in January, one of the MAGA-mites and Frumpy Dump's co-defendants in that Georgia election interference case filed a motion to disqualify District Attorney Willis regarding her relationship with her special prosecutor, Nathan Wade. So Judge McAfee determined that it was necessary to have a hearing regarding Mike Roman's claims, and several of Frumpy Dump's co-defendants actually signed on to this case. So much so, by the time we got to the hearing, honey, there was several attorneys on this case. Now, the hearing lasted for several weeks. District Attorney Willis came through in the clutch and shocked the world by testifying. Baby, she was very upset during the proceedings. So we have been waiting on the ruling in this case. And this morning, Judge McAfee came through and said, hey, District Attorney Willis, I'm not going to disqualify you from the case. However, you must remove Nathan Wade from the case in order for it to continue based on the appearance of impropriety. In the 23-page ruling, Judge McAfee said that, hey, District Attorney Willis, I don't condone what you have done here. There is an appearance of impropriety. On page 9, he actually talked about the way her testimony went during the hearing, stating that he does not condone that as well. However, she can continue with this prosecution, but Nathan Wade will have to be gone. Now, if y'all remember my coverage of this, I said it way back in the gap that Nathan Wade's got to go. He's going to have to remove himself from this case. So, Judge McAfee saying that, I'm not surprised. All right, players. So Judge McAfee basically said, look, there's no conflict of interest, but Nathan Wade has got to go. It's going to be very interesting to see how the Frumpy Dump tank sniffers move forward with this case, and also how quickly will District Attorney Willis comply with the judge's ruling, and will she appoint someone else to the case? There are other attorneys that are on it, so she could choose to allow them to continue with the prosecution and not appoint anybody. Also, you know, she's also facing that investigation that's going on in Georgia. And Jim Jordan is trying to strong arm District Attorney Willis into releasing information to him regarding federal funding. So there's still some stuff going on here, but as far as Frumpy Dump's case goes, District Attorney Willis will not be disqualified. All right, players, put your thoughts in the comments. I'm not surprised. During that entire trial, and I watched the hearing, I watched the whole thing, I did not once hear anybody line out how District Attorney Willis having this relationship with Nathan Wade somehow affects the case with Frumpy Dump and his co-defendants. Nobody ever explained that. So I'm not surprised to hear this. All right, players, put your thoughts in the comments. This is Double D Mo for the Black Accurate News.